They're looking to humiliate him.
John Sheeran, a Washington state defense attorney and an elected commissioner on the West Pierce Fire and Rescue Board, is now also a defendant. He's accused of being a part of a conspiracy that allegedly went on from November of 2022 until June of 2023. The indictment says that Sheeran would smuggle drugs into the King County Jail during legal visits with his clients. In one example, investigators say a Burien woman, Katrina Cazares, soaked paperwork in meth and ketamine. They claim Sheeran met her at her home to pick it up and a couple days later smuggled the drug-dipped documents into jail. Investigators claim Sheeran also brought in chewing tobacco cans filled with drugs, and the inmates would then sell toothpaste cap amounts of meth for between $100 and $200 inside the jail. The indictment says in March of 2023, Sheeran attempted to deliver clothes for trial for 2 inmates, and concealed in the soles of the shoes were more than 52 grams of meth. In that case, a corrections officer seized the items. Sheeran was arrested Monday and pleaded not guilty. This month also brought the conclusion of a separate drug smuggling incident, one involving former King County Jail employee Moses Ramos.
He accepted a bribe for $5,000 to smuggle a pound of meth and 100 fentanyl pills into King County Jail.
Assistant U.S. Attorney Cindy Chang says Ramos was sentenced to 8.5 years in federal prison for a case that put people in jeopardy.
When this smuggling occurred in March of 2023, the King County jail staff was administering Narcan on a weekly basis for overdoses within the jail.
At this jail, they say it's just one of the dangers associated with drug smuggling.
Now, with Sheeran, he was with Puget Law Group, but the law firm says they've accepted his resignation. The Board of Fire Commissioners says they'll need to decide what, if any, actions need to be taken after they have more information. Joyce?
If he's convicted, what kind of punishment could Sheeran face?
Well, if convicted, the maximum sentence would be 20 years in federal prison. The minimum would be 3 years of supervised release and up to $1 million fine. Joyce?
Natalie Swaby in Seattle for us. Thank you.